What's up guys, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make one of our favorite breakfast dishes, Taiwanese egg crepe. An egg crepe is basically a flour crepe that has an egg in it topped with scallion soy sauce or hot sauce. It is super popular all throughout Taiwan as a breakfast or a snack, typically eaten with soy milk, and just like French crepe, there are endless variations of it with all sorts of ingredient combinations. My favorite combo is actually canned tuna and American cheese.
We're going to show you the traditional way of making this egg crepe and a few variations. In this bowl I have half a cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of potato starch, half a teaspoon of salt and white pepper. Go ahead and add 3/4 a cup of water and give it a mix. Chop up 1 stalk of scallion. I use the whole thing, no point of getting rid of the white part. Add that to the batter and then you are ready to go. This is honestly so super quick and easy. You can even make the batter and store it in the fridge for a couple days. Take it out whenever you want to fry up an egg crepe. Next, pour some oil into a skillet and set to medium heat. Crack an egg into a bowl while your pan is heating up. Whisk it until it's homogeneous, then set it aside. When the skillet is hot, add about 1/3 of the batter into the pan and spread it out evenly. Cook the crepe on medium heat for about 60 to 90 seconds or until the crepe is no longer runny. Then go ahead and flip it. Pour the egg mixture onto the crepe and swirl around so it covers the entire crepe. Cook until the egg is set around the edges, but if the center is still slightly runny, go ahead and flip the crepe again and cook it until the egg is completely set, or about 30 seconds. Then flip the crepe one last time, turn off the heat, and try to fold it like this, or however you want. Now you can remove it from the skillet and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Plate it and drizzle with some soy paste. Soy paste is basically soy sauce, but thickened with starch and slightly sweetened. Just plain old soy sauce works too. And there you have it. This is the most basic kind of egg crepe you can make. It's very delicious on its own, but it's even better if you add different fillings, which we are going to show you next.
Alright, next we're going to make a spinach and avocado crepe. Cook up a crepe and set it aside. In the same skillet, add some oil and some spinach seasoned with salt. And cook until the spinach is softened. Pour in 1 beaten egg, then immediately put the cooked crepe on top. Press it lightly so the crepe sticks to the egg. Cook until the egg is set and then flip it over. Slice up 1/4 of avocado and put it on top of the crepe. Then fold it from both sides to center like this. Cut into pieces and onto a plate. Again, hit it with some soy paste and some Japanese style mayo, aka Kewpie mayo. And that's it! I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. I mean, just look at that avocado. We all know that egg and avocado taste great together, but when they're nested together inside a fresh egg crepe topped with soy and mayo, it's like a whole new level of deliciousness. It's nice and creamy and the crepe is soft and tender. I mean, why wouldn't you want to eat this? You know what else tastes great in an egg crepe? Corn!
Anything new with corn?
Oh yeah, corn.
Corn.
Oh yeah,
corn. You bet.
Corn. Yeah.
Corn is always interesting.
Heat up the frozen corn in a hot skillet. Stir them around. Pour in 1 beaten egg. Swirl the pan around so all the corn is covered in the egg mixture. So we showed you how to make the crepe batter, but if you're so lazy you don't even want to bother mixing up some batter, you can totally just use a store-bought flour tortilla. It's a great substitution and it tastes just as good. Tear a piece of American cheese in half and put it on top and add some freshly grounded black pepper. Fold it from both sides to center and press it down a little so it doesn't open up. The melted cheese will work as a glue. Let's hit it with that soy paste and Kewpie mayo combo again. Huzzah! These flavors go together so well with corn, it's out of control. You gotta try it for yourself.
Alright, lastly we'll make a ham and cheese one. Pour the egg mixture into the skillet, and while that's cooking, throw a tortilla on top. Flip it. Add a slice of ham. Add some American cheese. Hit it with some black pepper. Fold it, cut it into pieces, and plate it. Gotta have that soy paste, that's a given. But this time let's also top it with some hot sauce. And that's how you make a Taiwanese styled egg crepe. We showed you 4 variations, but you can honestly put anything in it you'd like. Smoked salmon, mushroom, turkey, peppers, you name it. It's a great way to start your day, but it's also great if you just want something simple and quick after a long day of work or whatever. Give this a try at home, and if you do, let us know what you think. And we'll see you next time in the kitchen.